It's been more than 3 weeks since I got this chair, and now I'm ready to share my final thoughts. First of all, the price. The original price is 370 euro and I got a fantastic deal. I bought it for only 250 euro. It was on discount. The delivery was super fast. I got it just in 2 days after the purchase, so it came from Germany to Austria just in a few days. It's really quickly. And now let's talk about the design. Personally, I think that the chair looks great. The better interior, the better the chair fits in. It has a modern look and it doesn't feel cheap. A lot of chairs in the same price range look too basic or low quality. This one doesn't. I really like how it looks. As someone who sits for over 8 hours a day, I have to say that the seat cushion is very comfortable and I had no discomfort at all. Sitting on feels balanced and supportive. And now for the back support. There is where I started having some issues. I'm 187 centimeters tall and for me the back support doesn't fit the right position. It starts too low and it ends too early, so it doesn't hit the curve of the spine properly. I found myself constantly pushing it down with my back, and every 15 minutes or so I have to readjust it. So it's definitely a downside, and I think that the back support should have been at least 10 centimeters higher, so that way people of different heights could adjust it more comfortably. The mesh material of the back is great, it's breathable and it feels nice while sitting. Now about the headrest. It looks nice, but it also has a problem. It's placed too far back, in line with the backrest. I think that it would be better if it's stuck out a little bit more, so when you're working you don't usually lean on your way back. You want to sit upright and just a little support for your neck. For now the headrest doesn't really help unless you lay back completely, and this is not ideal if you're looking at the screen. To sum it up, at this price range I feel that this is the best chair that you can get, and if you're looking for something that looks nice, feels comfortable, but you're ready that there would be like a few issues, this is definitely that I can recommend.